Welcome! If you want to link or unlink Google Assistant option to Power key into your OPPO A1K, firstly you need to open your settings and find Conveniences 8, this one. Go into, and here will be first option in this list. Press and hold the power button for 0.5 seconds to wake up Google Assistant. So turn on this option and now press and hold. And now we activate our Google Assistant. If you want to unlink, you need to turn off this option. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.